Fine.
Hi.
Cool. Okay.
Okay, sir. You just check it, and then if you have the
Is this the coil?
yes, it's for stop coil.
Okay.
You see here, you stop.
Okay.
Yes. If it stop, it really should go there, and if it's running, it should be here.
Okay.
This one's for the oil pressure.
Okay. That's all pressure. Yeah.
Yes, oil
Okay.
pressure sander.
Right, okay.
There's your oil filter
Yep.
and your fuel filters,
Yep. Okay.
and the air filter is inside.
Okay. Yeah. That's there for. Okay.
Okay, sir. And then try if you want.
Let me have to lock this.
I don't know. It's fine. I have to just need to. And there's your battery too. By the way, I'm going to show you. Replacing your batteries. So,
Get the battery.
Yung battery niya.
and then we try to start.
Okay. We start. Time to start.
Do I press the green button? Start.
You have to put it in manual first.
Right.
Manual. And then you can press the green button. Just one press. Down.
Okay. Now, normally we'd start it and the electricity would be done.
Yes.
You haven't connected that yet.
Automatic naman siya ma'am.
Yeah.
Basta pindot mo
The
na
shut
isa.
off solenoid.
Siya na yung bahala.
Now,
Alin dun?
to
Hold
have
down?
the electricity, you have that on.
Yes, always on. This one's always on.
Okay.
And we will let the ATS do the function. I'll just shut it off first so we can drain the batteries. Okay, sir?
No, that's fine.
And then now I'm going to terminate.
Can we start it now?
Yes, we can if you want. I just shut off the breaker. I'll just turn off the breaker on the front side.
It should start.
Yes. And then before starting, we should always check for the lube oil level.
No boy.
Yes, and then
Mas low boy.
every maintenance or every week, we should run this at least 1 or 2 minutes just to circulate the.
Okay. Even if Mr. hasn't browned out, we run it anyway.
Yes. So that the engine, you will know that your engine is
And how do we start it manually? Here?
on your controller. Sir.
On the control.
Yes. I'll show you later. And then you always check for the coolant if it has if it's full.
Meron. Marami.
And then always lock the coolant up. Or the
Okay. And this is the oil. You got to check the oil.
yes, sir. And then you check first for everything. And this is the kasi basahan natin. This is the dipstick.
May contact yan.
Sa generator yan.
Ah.
Nakawa na yan. Connected lahat ang ending yan.